Hey, what is up, YouTube, and what is up, world? How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? Hope you guys are feeling good today. Today is quite of an interesting day, I would say. As you guys can see by the title, I may have, or I may have not, sold my 350Z. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. It's really sunny today here in California. Sun is all up my eyes, but yeah, I may have not bought another Z. See, I'm outside. I'm currently walking because I have no transportation at the time. Yep, the 350Z is gone, boys. It was a pretty short run. I enjoyed the car, but I bought a GTR. That's right, a GTR. Yep. And there's the GTR, guys. It is a 2011 GTR Premium. Yep. Just picked it up today. Got it for a pretty good deal. Got it for $35,000. Yep. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the new GTR for the channel. I'm just fucking with y'all. I ain't got no GTR. I wish. Can't afford that shit. Yeah, as you guys can see, I got another Z. In fact, another 350Z. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys a little about it and show you guys around of the car and show you guys what's different between my old one and this one. So, yep, my silver one is gone. I just found this one. I had no intention of selling the silver one. Well, I did, and then I didn't. I decided to keep it. It was gonna be, just a big project build. Then I came across this one. I got a really good deal on it. It is the same year as my silver one. They're both a 2004 DE. And the reason why I sold the other one, I got this one, is because I believe this one is just a better model. My other one, I think, was a performance. So it's kind of base. I would think it's a base model, my last one, but I had a couple things that the base didn't. But this one it's a touring model, so it has the nice leather seats, heated seats, and stuff like that. Power seats and all that good stuff. Has the navigation that pops up. I'll show you guys that in a second. This one has those OEM chrome rims. I'm not a big fan of, but yeah. Couple cons on this one. Couple things I liked it better about the silver one, but overall I think this one was a lot better and I got a good deal on it. Obviously I'm not gonna keep two, so I got rid of that one, and this is the new car for the channel. A 2004 350Z Touring. Not so new car, it's kind of the same, but this is the one. So yeah, this one, like I said, it's 04 Touring. Has about 150,000 miles on it. Well taken care of. This one is also stock, just like the other one. Reason why I like this one and miles on, because they're both stock. As you can see right there, that's the flaw right away. But if you guys did see my previous videos of the silver one, the paint was pretty beat up. This is a red color, and the paint is not that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the paint. On the driver door, you got a little flaking right here, but overall it is good. My silver one, the fender was shot, but my silver one, the hood was good, and this one, the hood is shot. It's definitely needs to be repainted on the hood. The bumper as well. I think this bumper is in way better condition than the silver one though, but it's still gonna have to be painted, as you can see. Headlights need to be restored. Headlights needs to be restored, and I like the headlights better on the silver one. Silver one looked like they had aftermarket ones, I believe. These ones are a little more, I don't know, ugly. I'm gonna turn it a little. And then right here, I bought it from a lady. It was a lady-driven car since like 2010, I think she said. So she had it for like, 11 years or something. She definitely had it for a while. And she said she sideswiped a pole or something at the gas station. The scratches don't feel deep. Hopefully I could buff it out. Hopefully it's just like active paint that got stuck on here when it got swiped. Hopefully it could buff out. Mirrors gonna need painting. But everywhere else the paint is good. Got this little dent right here. My silver one too, the body was straight. It only had a little like ripple on the front fender. I don't know how you say it, but yeah, this has that. Kind of bend it out a little bit, sand it, and paint. And then I think there was oh yeah, on the hood right here. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's kind of like creased in right here. But that's the car. Overall, not too bad, besides a couple paint defects, but the paint is a lot better than my last one. This one is kind of dirty like the other one, but I think it's way cleaner than the last one. I think a quick clean will give this car a different look. As you can see, the leather seats. Definitely pumped for the leather seats. Board door handles work. You can see, open that door. Silver one never worked. It was a headache. This one came with OEMZ floor mats, but they are trashed. Leather seats. Leather seats are good. I've seen this kind of common issue in the 350Z leather seats. They always get like this orangey look after a while. So there's a couple things I've seen on YouTube that could fix that. I'm gonna try to do that maybe. And then there's rips right here. So again, most likely gonna get some racing seats, so this ain't really bothering me too bad. For time being, it'll do the job. Probably in the next video I'll tell you guys all the plans I have for the car. But yeah, as you guys see, heated seats. What else is different? Does have the Bose sound system. I think my other one did too, but my other one, well, they put an aftermarket radio on my silver one, so that might be the why. But there was a Bose sound system speaker. I'm guessing it was Bose. Yeah, this one and the silver one is kind of the same, but this one just has more, you know, more technology, I guess. And this one has this nice little padding here for your knee. Silver one didn't have that. I'm trying to see what else this one has. And that's about it. And then the navigation, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up for you guys. See, sounds good. Got that navigation. Screen is pretty outdated, but I really do like the way it looks. How the screen just pops up like that. How, you know, the thing just opens. My silver one just had this cover, the same exact cover, this thing, but it was just a cubby inside. I really like how it just opens up like that. Sometimes when you start it, it'll open by itself, and then when you shut it off, it'll close by itself. It's pretty cool. Yeah, Bose sound system has a 6 CD player, and as you guys see, it has DVD. I guess that's for the 6 CD changer. This is navigation system, so I have no clue exactly what it is for. It says navigation system and DVD. Well, my guess is it has to be for the 6 CD changer, but yeah, have some junk back there. Here's a quick little rev. I think this one is a little louder compared to my other one. I don't know why. It just seems like it. So besides that, guys, yeah. My windows work. silver one, driver window did not work. Used to be headache. This one is working. See, it closes. It's been giving me a lot of trouble. For some reason it gets stuck sometimes. Like right now it's not fully closed. Sometimes it will fully close, sometimes it won't. I don't know what's the reason for that, but yeah. If you guys know, let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate it. Sorry if I'm talking too much. I'm just trying to show you guys all the details of the car. I don't even know why I'm apologizing, but these rear hatches are so heavy on these cars. My God. But as you guys see, my shocks are bad for the rear hatch. I'm gonna have to pick some of those up. They're pretty cheap, so that's not a problem. But the silver one, the hatch was working. Like I said, a couple things that was, you know, better on the silver one. Some things better on this one. But small things. Yeah, this one has the original Zeef back mat. My last one didn't. This one has this, I don't know how you call this bar thing, but on my silver one, this one was cracked. This one's in good condition. Looks like this thing is brand new. This little Z thing that goes on the chair that the 350Z came with. And yeah. Man, those hatches are so heavy. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of the new Z for the channel. I'm super pumped, super psyched. I do like this one a lot better than my silver one. I did like my silver one because, you know, it was running good and driving good. Everything was solid on it. I bought it for a dirt cheap price. And it was a project. It needed new paint and all that stuff. I was going to put new seats in it. You know, just build it up. And I didn't care about the condition in it because that's what I wanted to do. As far as this one, there's a couple things like it has stock like OEM heated seats, and changing those out is gonna like kind of bother me. That's just personally me, but I am gonna want to do it. Same as the navigation. I didn't want to change it out for my silver one. I was planning on putting the, how do you call it, the Brainiac, I think it's called, the tablet radio. Looks like the Telsa radio. I was gonna do that on my silver one. I do still want to do it to this one, but just changing out the OEM navigation that, you know, it just looks cool in the car. You know, just stuff like that bothers me to change, but I'm probably still gonna do it down the road. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. But yeah, guys, I am pumped for the new car. Yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. If you guys did see my other videos, you know, I'm a new YouTuber. I'm new to the channel, so I only got like, I don't know, 7 or 8 videos posted up, and they're just little videos, little details of my silver one. I didn't get to do much to that car. I had a lot of plans to, but again, I came across this one, and this is just a way better deal. Yeah, guys, I'm loving it. Again, 04 touring model. It is a clean title, 150,000 miles, pretty low, running and driving strong. And yeah, there's a lot of plans coming for this car, guys. A lot of changes gonna do. So if you guys are interested in seeing some Z content, 350Z content, if you guys like to see, you know, follow along the way of the transition of this car, of, you know, before and after everything I do to it, then go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel. That'll be much appreciated. That'll be actually awesome. Turn the bells on so you guys can be notified for future posts. I will have another video posted probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Just talking some more about the car. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Goodbye to my Silver Z. It was a good run. I enjoyed it. A short period of time, but time for the big red machine over here. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Much appreciated. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Just kidding.